We were two friends with a plan to ride across Nepal from the extreme east to the extreme west, covering all the Himalayan regions via the mid-hill highways of Nepal. However, with the Nepal government's 30 days only permit policy for Indian registered vehicles, our grand plan did not come to fruition. This is the story of that journey. So we are at My Pokhari right now, Devrali Bazaar to be exact. So we're thinking of pitching our tents on this ground today. We've got permission for the same. I guess when the kids stop their playtime, we are probably going to go and pitch our tents. Prashab is facing his entire off-road from here. And this is just the beginning. How are you feeling, bro?
Yeah, I'm just getting a hang of it, like there's so many years since I have ridden on these kinds of terrain, and for me, this is so.
Yep, we'll have more fun. Let's go.
Yeah, let's see.
You first.
Yeah.
Let's go. My friend riding in front of me is Prashab, a man from the state of Kerala in southern India. He is the man who did an all-India ride traveling across the country for 1.5 years in the year 2017 to 18. And that was the time when we became friends. He is riding his trusted 14-year-old Hero Honda Charisma, which has 140,000 kilometers on the odometer. Come on, buddy, come on. Can't see anything. Let's go. So Prashab's bike couldn't come uphill. Can't see, but it's quite an uphill, so I've put his luggage as well on mine. So let's see if I can pull this through all these kind of things. And yeah, this is what it means when we say travel light. This is the halat. Prashab just fell. Okay, and थोड़ा रेस दे. Sorry है भाइ, यो बाइक अड्केको थियो कि तल, त्यसलाई लिनु जाने. ये पकड दो इधर. I'm too scared to get off. From here should be fine. क्या टूट गया? कैसे? That's just a food pack, right? Okay. Have you taken enough rest? ये मिलेगा? नहीं.
ये पूरा ये set.
Should we straighten it? Both of us has to be that side, yeah. Wait. Hold on. You go to the rear end. It's okay, bro. At an altitude of around 12,000 feet above sea level, SANDHAKPHU is right at the India-Nepal border in the east. This little concrete pillar that you see demarcates Nepal from India. Other than the beautiful place that SANDHAKPHU is, its standout feature is definitely the old Land Rovers here. Most of these Land Rovers are from the 1950s and belong mostly to the Indian side. Although they may look the part for a 1950s Land Rover, most of them have had their engines swapped with a Mahindra engine. And these are very much used till date to ferry goods and people onto SANDHAKPHU. It was now time for us to leave SANDHAKPHU. And today, we would be traveling through Elam to try and fix Proshob's broken bike and head as far as possible. However, the evening caught up with us, and we had no option but to take shelter in one of the village homes. So Prashob, how are you feeling? Nepal hospitality, they keep on saying visit Nepal. You're in this small room, we've taken shelter, they've been hospitable enough to provide us shelter.
Like, क्या बोलूं? थोड़ा overwhelmed हो गया है बोलने के लिए, like I'm not getting words how to describe, है ना? How happy.
And it was so amazing that you actually met a guy who knew about Kerala and was speaking Tamil over here in this house. Drank our beers.
And had like good food. Yeah.
Today has
Local
been,
food.
today has been your lucky day.
Yeah. In many ways. Yeah.
Many ways. Regarding your bike parts as well. 14 साल पुराना बाइक का पार्ट्स नेपाल का एक कच्चा वाला गैराज में मिलेगा.
Yeah.
एकै ठाउँमा जम्मा गर्न अनि पो
त्यो बदममा इन्डियामा साह्रै हुन्छ अरे नि
आसाममा
Rover Defender. The old one. Okay, I have to wait for Prashub. ए न्यू माझी अनि तिम्रो नाम आमाम रोजिना अनि तिम्रो राजकुमार खतरा नाम त तिम्रो रहेछ नि राजकुमार अनि तिम्रो सृजल सृजल हो आज तिमीहरुको स्कुलको छुट्टी शनिबार तिम्रो नाम के हो भाइ
मेरो नाम प्रशोभ हो
We finally hit tarmac and we were now approaching Dhankuta. Dhankuta was mostly closed for that day, and so we decided to hit the highway and move towards Bhojpur. We finally reached Bhojpur by evening and checked into a decent hotel. And here was our first proper shower in a few days. Bhojpur is an extremely beautiful little town and one of the 14 districts of the Koshi province in eastern Nepal. We noticed that most of the old houses were empty and locked, and upon inquiry we were told that this was mainly due to the migration of people into the cities or abroad. पेट्रोल पम्प कतापट्टि छ यता डिक्टेल पनि यताबाटै जान्छ है ए ल ए हुन्छ धन्यवाद चले Temke was a place suggested to us by the locals at Bhojpur, and it was absolutely worth the detour. This magnificent place with its 360-degree views is definitely one of the highlights of this region. We finally reached Diktel Bazaar by evening and checked into a small hotel. Diktel falls in the Khotang district of Nepal and is very similar to Bhojpur in terms of architecture and more. From here, Prashob's bike started to face more issues and we decided to head straight for Kathmandu to be on the safer side. It was very disheartening to skip Taksindu, which was on our list.
Meat. And that one is more like is deep.
What is this, Are?
Kachila.
Kachila.
Fried kachila.
And this is
Atrela.
Soila. And that is?
Suguti.
That one we finished one.
This is Dakula.
Dakula. There's everything la. And this is tawa soup.
This is Tama. This is Tisho.
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 This is tong. Oh my god. This is wo or bara.
Wo.
And this is gidi, brain. And this is the tongue. Buffalo tongue. It was time for us to pack our bags and move once again. Today, we were moving towards BHUJUNG via Besisar, and we landed up in a beautiful little place called BHIMDA for the night. It's really amazing to be just exploring this village called BHIMDA. We're just staying here for the night and it's very surreal. In fact, this is the first time I felt so much at peace after almost 10 days riding like crazy. But this place is like completely so peaceful, so nice. Complete village life in the middle of nowhere. It's really nice. Probably why I'm feeling so happy is also because or surreal or so awesome. This is also about the little chunk that I had up there at the place that we are staying. Yeah, we are headed to BHUJUNG from here. So we decided to stop at this place called BHIMDA. Look on the right. That is Besisar. That hotel we stayed in is down there.
Where is the hotel? I didn't see that.
There. Just by the road.
We have ridden all the way to here.
Yeah. In just less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So let's go. Look at the view. Ralegaon is coming.
Oh,
Yeah.
this is so tiny.
Huh?
This kind of road is good.
Yeah.
Right. ज़्यादा वो नहीं है.
अभी
When
BHUJUNG
this
जाना
kind of
पड़ेगा.
big rocks come है ना, that's where. अभी तो सब संदकपू का कंपेयर करेगा.
Ralegaon. Okay, and that is BHUJUNG now. Yeah. So you've reached BHUJUNG now.
So previously,
Open your helmet.
so previously
Ah.
also we have to drive till here, right? Or
Yeah,
is
I
it-
came here last year.
Oh, acha, ito.
This is the last point, and you park and then you go to the ground. So we'll be exploring from here on.
The best so far, right?
Hey.
आलादै खराब भयो
इंडिया केरला से हाँ घूमने के लिए नेपाल
नेपाल तो भीड़ है
अच्छा है
अच्छा है
हाँ
नहीं हम भी नेपाल का है
अच्छा से चल रहा है
हाँ थैंक यू
Just as we had checked into a homestay, a little bit of hail started. And so we sat down and chilled with Joy Khatta, an original Gurung alcoholic beverage which is tempered with ghee roasted rice when served. Bhojpur falls in the Lamjung district of the Gandagi province of northern central Nepal. This particular village is of the most fascinating nature. It is just the way it makes you feel when you are here. Almost everything here is made of stone, from the houses to the pathways and even roofs. The village is comprised of the Nepali ethnic group called Gurung and is one of the largest Gurung villages in Nepal.
फेरि फेरि वेलकम पूर्णकाशी दिदी
So I had a tire puncture kind of a thing. I don't even know if it is a puncture. Right by this waterfall. And it comes from way up there. And the bike is there. I just put some air. Prishab's parked there. And if we have to sleep, we got a house also, an empty house. Don't know whose house it is. But then yeah, man. This is the fourth time probably that I'm feeling air. Prashop is behind, and I'm rushing towards Chame. That's the road. Kerala is overexcited.
How can I not be excited?
You're in the fucking Himalayas, bro.
Let's just today.
God was testing us yesterday, I
Yeah.
guess.
Whether we are worthy or not, I guess.
Yeah. KHANGSAR and MANANG. I'm here. Welcome to MANANG. Okay. Hey, Pulsar. अब 22 साल भेट्दाखेरि अब के भन्नुहुन्छ यहाँ माथि ल्याउन पाउँछ र म त मेन मनाङ चाहिँ यही हो अनि के छ केटा I don't know what to say to you. So he Sandy's batch. Sandyलाई अहिले राम्ररी चिन्छ नि त घरभरि हुन्छ नि त त्यो अहिले फर्केर आएछ नि त त्यो
पुलिस स्टेसनबाट फोन गरेको
अब नेटवर्क नलाएर नि
उसकोबाट गरे
उसकोबाट गरे
म त तिम्रो होला भनेर
हैन दिस इज प्रशोभ दिस इज पाल्जर यो चाहिँ केरलाको मान्छे हो
ए इन्डियाको
म पनि इन्डियाकै हो नि खाङसार चाहिँ के हो अझै ए Manang is a little more of a small town than a village and is more urban compared to Bhujung. But it does have its old section too. Us riding right through it will probably give you a better glimpse of Manang. दिदी खाङसार जाने बाटो कता हो ए उताबाट ए हुन्छ Yo Prashov, look at where you are. I guess this is a new gate. Let's see. This is KHANGSAR, which falls as one of the last villages that is probably accessible by road before you start the trek to Tilicho Lake. Before you go to Tilicho, look at me huffing and puffing. Man, I want to see what's behind me. Hello. सन्चै हुनुहुन्छ? हजुर हजुर यसो बाइकमा आएको होइन हामी मनाङमा बस्दैछ कि तल अनि त्यही फिर्ता जाने फेरि. Seems it snowed yesterday. There is snow all over the pathway. My friend is lost. So that is KHANGSAR village behind me. Yeah.
DIKTEL lake is only 4 hours from here.
लेक क्यों नहीं जा रहा है?
I don't know. You tell me. Because we have less number of days and permits. If you fall sick, then it's on my head. That is why Tilicho Lake नहीं जा रहे हैं.
He's saying we cannot go.
La bro, chal.
Bye.
La, bye. You first. Go bro. La Bazar. Let's stop here for a while. Wait for Prashobh. Oh. So we finally reached down below at the dry areas, and now we needed to move towards Pokhara to renew our permits. We would stay one night at Besisar and move the next day. It was Manang, Besisar, Pokhara. Right now we are somewhere near Tansen, and Tansen is on the southern side of Pokhara. Although we are at a very beautiful place and the views are amazing, we've had a very hectic last 2 days. Our permits got over. We were told from Kathmandu that when we extended our permits in Kathmandu, we were told that there is an extension center, a new one at Pokhara. So we went to Pokhara and we found out at the Pokhara extension center that the office is there, but there are no people to work. So there was nobody had shifted into the office to do our extensions. So all of a sudden we had to rush towards Sunauli border, which took us about 6 hours to reach, or 5.5 hours, which was a very rushing ride. And then since yesterday was Thursday and today is Friday and Nepal does not work on Saturdays, now Friday is a half day. Now we are rushing back after doing the permits. We are rushing back towards Pokhara to renew our ACAP permit. And we started at, we got up at 4 o'clock in the morning and we started at around 4:40, I think.
4:45.
Yeah, so it's about what, 6:30 right now.
I guess.
And we are at Tansen, somewhere near Tansen. And yeah, Prashod, how is traveling in Nepal so far?
Everywhere there will be some kind of adventure for us, right? Waiting. One day we'll see, acha, theek hai, like we will rest and next day it will be too adventurous. Then God will be thinking, you know, okay, do some adventure and then only you can enjoy the view and everything.
Yeah, man. It's
It
been
is
quite
something like that.
hectic that way. I mean, although there are a lot of things in Nepal very beautiful to explore, especially with the 30-day permit scene and renewal of permits every 7 days or something, unless and until you work around the system and you get more days of for the permit. It's seeming to be very difficult to cover all our destinations, right? And that is making it very hectic for us. And we now, after this, we'll probably head towards the Mustang side. So we'll see. And that's what the ACAP permit is required. Yeah, and what else? I can't think of anything right now other than the fact that although Nepal being so beautiful, once again I'm saying it, in many ways it is still so unorganized where certain things are concerned. And that is definitely a thing to note. Yeah, man. So we got our ACAP permits, and we were here on time. But the thing is, when we came here, we found out that actually we didn't need to rush all that much. The office is open till 2:30 today, that is Friday, and they are open on Saturday as well. On Saturday they are open till 3 o'clock or 4, something that is said. But yeah, because on Google it mentions it's only open till 12 in the afternoon. On Google, that's what it mentions, and that was the reason for our rush. So that is wrong information. On Google it is mentioned that it is open only till 12 in the afternoon for Friday and Saturday. So yeah, I just wanted to make a note of that. I think that would help a lot of people, right?
Yeah, but it was good, na? Even though we rushed, came early, now we can chill.
Yeah, we can chill now. We'll chill in Pokhara.
The great national flower blooms, giant Nepal. Great rhododendron blooming in the mountain. Ha, ha, ha. Gura se fulio, bonaima. Mira monjulio, timra monaima, timra monaima. Lahai, gura se fulio, bonaima.
We are now moving towards Mustang. The roads to Mustang in the beginning are a bit on the off-road side, but nothing that a motorcycle cannot handle. There seems to be a lot of construction work going on for the roads. And as we neared Lethe, the roads became big, wide and beautiful. How are you feeling, sir, at KAGBENI?
Feeling good. It's a law. Like, it's a dream to be here. I waited almost for like 5 years. Last time when I came here, I want to visit here because due to the in short of the number of days I had the permit, I have to go back to India. So this is.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah.
It is a dream for you, Mustang. These are all inner lanes, I think, which nobody comes to. I think we are kind of lucky. I think we are kind of lost. I don't know because we are going into the India. I don't know if my camera will catch, but look at this. As you enter this, and there is a stairway to go up to a house. Oh, we are in like a central courtyard. That tall structure is also part of the house. It's like, I don't know if they're building it up or it broke down. The horse. Look at everything around, guys. Surrounded by mountains. 180 degrees. There. Everywhere. And there's a Mahindra authorized service center right here. That's crazy. Okay, let's move. There's the gate to MUKTINATH. So if you come to MUKTINATH and you come right on the top as a motorcyclist, you have these lockers and you have the changing rooms as well. You can put things in these lockers, but the only thing is that you have to get your own lock, I believe. So
The lockers are there, the locks are not. So anyone can just come in, put their things inside and lock it and go. We've stopped here for breakfast because we hadn't eaten anything when we were going to the mandir. Prashobh obviously would not allow me to eat anything, so that's out of the question. And this Pandit ji right now is sitting here waiting for his breakfast. The nice little cafe down here, garden cafe and restaurant. Taste the best. So Mr. Prashobh, how did you feel when you went up to Muktinath?
Yeah, like it was almost my dream come true kind of thing. Last time when I came here, I couldn't go there. So today everything was like falling in
For
the
everything
right
you are
place.
saying my dream come true, man.
No, I am saying like today to everything was falling in the same like aligned so that we can comfortably go and visit.
Yeah, that's true,
there.
that's true.
The climate was good. We got a good space to like put everything, our luggage and everything, and we could take bath comfortably and do a darshan and came back.
Yeah, he actually changed his clothes. He bought new set of clothes just to go to the mandir. This guy is way more pious than I would ever be. It's Tibetan bread like puri, and I have eggs, coffee.
Ah,
Khatam kiya hi nahi, already one more.
I know, I will eat.
Bibi se dinos,
Ah,
Mauritians.
Ah.
And so we rode down from Muktinath and headed straight to Marpha. Marpha village is truly one of the most beautiful villages in the Mustang region.
Okay, we have just reached Marpha and we checked into this hotel, and our rooms are right there. And this is an apple orchard actually. Yeah, you get views like that. It's completely by the garden. It's really nice. Marpha is known for its dal, sabzi and all of that, and the lady was just telling me how their water source makes everything so tasty and everything is so bountiful. She even used the word malipap. So we just figured out that wherever we go, that he gets a lot of bhav and I don't. Like everybody's like, namaste sir, namaste this, hello, and we just figured out that they're probably thinking that I'm the guide and he's the tourist. So everybody, this fucking thing, shit man, this always happens to me.
It was here over breakfast that we came to the conclusion that we may not be able to complete our journey to the far west Nepal. The west is way more rural than the east, and we had only about a week left, and that would in no way be enough to cover the west. So with a heavy heart, we decided that we shall conquer the same some other day. Nepal government has a maximum 30 days in a year policy for all Indian registered vehicles. And with that, a max of 7 to 10 days per permit, that is, you have to renew the same in about 7 to 10 days. This hassle makes 30 days very difficult to complete a plan like ours.
So we've just been riding these routes which people don't usually come to. This is a route above Marpha which people usually don't take. Prashop is behind me and we are riding towards that mountain. That's amazing. I believe that is Dhaulagiri, but I'm not sure. So this little off the route from Marpha today has led us to the end of the road, and the end of the road is right there. I don't know if it's just been cut off, and our bikes are giving us a lot of trouble. My bike just got switched off for a while and was not willing to start, and if you see where we have reached, that is, we checked, it is the Nilgiri Himal.
That's why that bakery has got name Nilgiri Bakery.
Where?
In Manang.
Oh, there was a Nilgiri bakery?
Yeah, where we had like
Okay.
and all, right?
Yeah. So yeah, everywhere around us is like Himal. Behind also Himal. And this side there's even a bigger Himal, bigger mountain range. Ho ho ho! Look at that! Yeah, I'll go fast. Yeah. Let's go.
So we were supposed to head towards Kathmandu, but since the Pokhara to Kathmandu highway is so bad, we came to Bandipur, and I brought Prashop all of a sudden to Bandipur, and he's been loving it because Bandipur is amazing. We just arrived and we are having Gorkha beer, and yeah. How do you like the place, bro? Since you are the man in focus anyway, all the time.
Very different, right? It's like compared to today's ride, this was like heaven for me. After all this tiring highway ride.
And the beer is good, right? Chilled beer.
Chilled beer.
Yeah, man. So we're gonna go and have a good time for now.
Yeah.